When your quality of life has been affected by joint pain, it can be extremely frustrating. Fortunately, there are advanced treatment options and expert orthopedic care available locally to help you start living your best life now. Nationally recognized by the Joint Commission, St. Joseph of London has earned the Gold Seal of Approval for hip and knee replacement. This certification means you don't have to travel for national recognized care. With over 50 years of combined experience, our board-certified orthopedic surgeons, along with our top clinical staff, offer a comprehensive approach to joint replacement surgery, from evaluation and diagnosis to education and rehabilitation. Our entire team is committed to making your experience with us safe and as comfortable as possible. Before joint replacement surgery, you'll attend our Joint Academy class, where you'll meet with your care team, including physicians, nurses, case managers, nutritionists, and rehabilitation therapists, who will explain the entire process from preoperative care, checking in the day of surgery, to rehabilitation and discharge. All rooms are designed for personal and private care and tailored for a successful joint replacement experience. If you're considering joint replacement surgery, we hope you choose St. Joseph London, part of CHI St. Joseph Health, where we are called to serve.